The Contact Form 7 plugin is a popular plugin that allows users to create contact forms for their sites. Once the form is created, we will be inserting it into relevant pages on our site, such as the contact page. Hi guys, this is Jasmine Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we will learn how to add a contact form created using the Contact Form 7 plugin to a WordPress page using the Elementor Editor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so once you are on your WordPress dashboard, find the Contact Form 7 plugin from your left sidebar and go to Contact Forms from here. Now, if you haven't already created a contact form, then you can go ahead and check out how you can create a contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin from this SOP right here. And once you have created the contact form, you will find the shortcode over here. So just copy the shortcode that you would want to paste in your contact page. Now, go ahead to your pages and go to all pages from here. If you do not have a contact page created on your WordPress website, then you can just go to add new. But if you have already created a contact page on your website using the Elementor builder, then just go to that particular page and paste the shortcode. So we'll find the contact page, which is right here, and I can click on edit with Elementor. Awesome. So as you can see, this is my contact page and I do not have any contact form in this page. So I'm going to copy and paste my contact form 7 contact form that I created over here. Now, let's see. So if you are a beginner and if you don't know how to use Elementor Builder, then I'm going to list a video right here and you can learn how you can go ahead and create a page this beautiful using the Elementor Builder. I also have a playlist, a whole playlist dedicated to Elementor Builder. So do check that out. But over here, what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to edit and show you how you can go ahead and add the contact form plugin here. So let's see, I would want to add it somewhere here, but if you're a beginner, I'm just going to quickly give you a brief on how you can completely add a new section. So this over here is called a section, and that's what you need to create once you start building your contact form, right? So just click on the plus button like I did, and you will have this section. Then click on this red button and then you can select the kind of structure that you want. Okay, so in this example, I'm just going to go with the fun section structure. Now select this particular structure and click on the plus button from here. So click on the plus button and over here search for the HTML widget. So search for HTML and there you go. Now just drag and drop it here. Awesome. Now over here, do just paste the shortcode that you have copied. Just paste it here and click on publish or update, or you can preview what you just did. So I'm going to preview the changes. And as you can see, this is how it's looking like. So ideally, I would want this contact form to come over here. So that's what I'm going to do now. But I just wanted to show you how you can add a section, add a structure, and then paste the form. All right, so I'm back on my editor page. And as you can see, as I said, I would ideally want to add my contact form somewhere around here. So I can see that I already have a heading over here. So what I can do is I can just click here in this two section structure and click on over here in these widgets section where my cursor is, top left side somewhere. So click here and then search for HTML and put in the HTML tag right here. So again, go back, HTML. I think I did something wrong. You can just put in the form here. As you can see, I mean, I think you can see the blue section coming in, right? So over here, you can put in the HTML, paste the shortcode that I have, and then click on preview changes. And there you go. This is the contact form. This is how it's looking like. I would ideally not want it to be this long, but just for the sake of this SOP, you can see that our contact form is starting to appear here. Now, it might be a little confusing using the Elementor Builder if you're a complete beginner. So do check out our playlist on the Elementor Builder and how you can use it. But once you get the hang of it, it's going to be this easy to create a contact page this beautiful. So yeah, I think we can just go back and go ahead and update it or publish if you've not published your contact page. Hope you guys were able to add the contact form on your contact page using the Elementor Builder with the help of this SOP. I will be coming up with a lot of videos related to digital marketing, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, any queries, or any other kind of videos that you would want to see on this channel, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is just Vanvalia, and I will see you in our next SOP.